Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a student struggling to manage your classes, deadlines, grades, and even your budget, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use this all-in-one student planner in Google Sheets that's designed to make your academic life stress-free and super organized. Let's start with the Setup tab. This is where you personalize your planner. Enter your personal details, select your currency, and set your semester start date. You can also fill in your academic details, like your program and year. You'll set up financial categories like income, bills, expenses, savings, debts, and subscriptions. And for academics, you'll add your classes, including credit hours, professor names, subject goals, and class locations. All other dropdowns like priority types and status settings are optional, so you can leave them as they are if you don't want to tweak them. Next up is the Budgeting tab. Here you can set your monthly or semester budget for income, expenses, bills, savings, debts, and subscriptions. At the top, you'll see KPIs like total income, total budget, your most expensive category, and even a What's Next preview from your transaction log. Speaking of which, the transaction log is where you record your actual income and expenses. Just pick a date, amount, category, and add notes if you'd like. The great part? All your KPIs and charts update automatically as you log entries, giving you a real-time picture of your finances. Now, the finance tracking dashboard is your all-in-one financial hub. Just set a start and end date, and boom, everything updates automatically. You'll see KPIs for income, expenses, savings, and even what's left to spend or budget. The dashboard is packed with visual charts, including income sources, spending breakdowns, and category-wise pie charts. It's like having a mini finance app built right into your planner. For academics, the Class Schedule tab lets you organize your timetable. You'll see KP is like total credit hours, highest study load day, and even your longest class. You can schedule classes by choosing the subject, professor, location, and timings from simple dropdowns. Plus, there's a credit hour distribution chart and motivational quotes to keep you inspired. Connected to this is the attendance tracker. Select your year and month, and you'll instantly see KP is like your most attended class, most missed class, on-time ratio, and overall consistency score. Just log each class as present, absent, late, or no class. And the charts update automatically. Now let's talk about academics in detail. The internals log is where you record tasks like assignments, quizzes, projects, and exams. You'll select the subject, internal category, status, due date, and priority. You can also add marks, grades, and weightages, and the system will calculate days left automatically. All this feeds into the internals dashboard, which has a CGPA calculator, credit hour distribution, and even an automated grading system that updates in real time. You can also search for any subject or task with the built-in search tool and see your top 10 results instantly. As your semester's GPA is automatically calculated from automated grading system section, so to calculate your CGPA, all you need to do is to enter your previous GPA and credit hours, and boom, you have calculated your CGPA. It's like you have full control over your weaknesses and strengths. So try finding new ways to improve your results. On top of that, you've got the To-Dos tab, which acts like your productivity manager. It shows KP is for completed tasks, overdue ones, upcoming deadlines, and even your completion rate. Log your tasks with priorities, due dates, and notes, and you'll never lose track again. Finally, the Contacts tab keeps all your important academic and professional connections in one place. Add names, designations, emails, and phone numbers, and use the built-in search to find them instantly. And that's it. This student planner isn't just a planner. It's your complete academic and financial management system, all inside Google Sheets. If you want to grab a copy for yourself, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might need a little help staying organized. Until next time, stay productive and study smart.